Hello, I'm Ed Dulzer with the Process Technology Technical Support Team. I'm here in the high purity product testing area to show you how to perform the heater calibration on a Lufran water heater. The heater calibration can be performed after you first install the product and are starting it up for the first time, or after you perform the flow meter calibration procedure, or after you replace the inlet or outlet temperature sensors. You could also perform this procedure whenever you like to try to fine-tune the temperature control of your unit. Now here I've got a 4-column Lufran heater and it's got 2 control loops. The 2 heating columns on the left are operating independently from the 2 heating columns on the right. For this procedure, I'm only going to calibrate unit 1. We're not going to go through both. So the first thing you need to do to perform your heater calibration is to enter your general settings menu and verify your supply voltage value is correct. Now right up here is the designed voltage. That's what the heater was built for. This one was built for 480 volts. This value right here is your actual voltage. Yeah, you'll notice we put in 240 volts. That's because that's how we're running this heater today. Now, when the field, you're going to put in your own value. Double check your setting. If it's 475 volts, put that in. That value helps make this control system more accurate. Again, here we're running 240 volts for testing. Once you're done, you can press your config menu button. For this heater, there's 2 of them, unit 1, unit 2. We're going to do unit 1. Across the bottom is your heater calibration button. Now, from here we're going to be observing the results of the calibration. What we have to do to start the process is make sure our temperature set point is correct. The set point is 60 Celsius. That also matches the settings up here. That's what we're going to heat the water to. That's correct. So we're going to go back to the menu. Your temperature setting is correct. We've established our operating flow rate. The next step is to run the heater. To start the calibration procedure, press the heater calibrate button, return to the main menu, and start the heater. For me, it's unit 1. At this point, the heater is going to heat up and try to reach the temperature without a negative feedback loop. So we're going to see how good the control system can do on its own. This is going to take several minutes, and to observe the results, we're going to go back to the calibration menu. Let's see how it does. So the heater's been running for several minutes. The outlet temperature is very stable, the flow rate's stable, but it's off by a few degrees. Our set point was 60 C, it's running at 63. The calculated offset value is at 92. So what we're going to do now is put that value into the heater offset button right here. Then we're going to stop the calibration procedure, return to the main menu, stop the heater. That's how you perform the temperature calibration procedure on a Lufran water heater. Thank you.